Hi everyone! Welcome to Busy Fun Toys. Let's get cooking! Look at this orange pan. It has a green lid. Look at this orange pot. It has a green lid. Let's hang our purple fork. Time to hang the green spatula. It's a purple spoon. Time for more stickers. This says off and on. We'll put it next to our knob. And we need one over here. We have a green cup, and it needs a sticker. It's another green cup, and another sticker. It's a really big sticker, and it goes right down here. We have green lettuce, a red apple, 2 yellow plates, an orange, an orange carrot. It's an egg. It's yellow and white. Now let's get cooking. Time to cut up some vegetables to cook. It's a green pepper. It's a purple eggplant. It's yellow corn. It's a tan potato. Let's cook our vegetables. Turn on the stove. Let's cut up fruit and put it in the blender. Red apple. Orange. Yellow lemon. Green pear. And a red strawberry. Time to make our fruit smoothie. Now we have a pink smoothie. Uh-oh, we spilled our smoothie. Do you want to have a sip? Delicious. Let's have some more. Let's bake a chicken. We made a chicken. Let's use this blue Play-Doh and make a cupcake. Yum, a delicious cupcake. I'm ready for more dessert now. Let's have some cake. It's a birthday cake. Blow out the candle. This delicious cake has vanilla and chocolate on the inside. Would you like to try a bite? Let's cut more pieces. Time for some cake and fruit smoothie. I'll see you next time.
Ooh, that looks so delicious. I hope you had fun. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, it's Mel, Snowball, and Duke from the Secret Life of Pets. Hey, what are you guys doing here?
We're looking for our friends.
We heard they're here in the animal hospital. Can you help us find them? I can help you, but I don't have any keys to open up the cages.
Don't worry, Fizzy. I have keys, but we need to know the colors to open up the right cage.
I don't know my colors yet.
It's okay, Fizzy. I'll help you, and so are our friends from the Secret Life of Pets.
Woohoo! Let's have some fun!
Let's try to open this first door. What color is it? What color key do we need?
Is that purple? No, Fizzy! That one is green!
We need the green key!
Okay, Miss Hands,
Let's use the green key! Okay, we need to find the green key. Here it is, right here. Let's put our green key in and see who's inside. It's Sweet Pea from the Secret Life of Pets. She's yellow and green. And Sweet Pea has someone else who's green in there. It's the Incredible Hulk. He's green. Let's give him a good squish. Hey, Fizzy, what color key do we need to open that one?
Red! No, Fizzy, you need the purple key. Ooh, purple. I love purple.
That's right, we need this purple key. Let's open it up. Who's inside? It's Chloe! She's a purple cat from the Secret Life of Pets. And it's Rarity from My Little Pony. She has a purple mane. Let's give her a good squish. Okay, Fizzy, what color is this?
Ooh, I know that one. It's blue, just like my blue stripes.
That's right, Fizzy. We need the blue key. Can we find the blue key? Yes, here it is, right here. Who's inside? Here's a blue Flappy Bird. Let's give it a good squish. And these guys aren't blue. Look, it's Norman. He's a guinea pig. And someone's in here with blue eyes. It's Gidget. She's all white, and she has blue eyes and a pink little bow on her head. Okay, Fizzy, what color is this door?
Fizzy does not know that color.
Fizzy, that color is orange. Ooh, orange, like an orange. That's right, it's orange like an orange. And here's our orange key. I see something orange. It's Marlin. He's swimming along. And let's give him a good squish. We found Olaf. Olaf is white, and he has an orange carrot nose. Hi, everybody. Okay, Fizzy, I have to admit, this color down here is a little tricky.
It looks kind of red, but it's not quite red.
That's right, Fizzy. It looks like it's a dark orange, almost red.
Ooh, that's a tricky color.
Do you see the same color key on here? Yes, this one right here. It's a dark orange, almost red. Let's go ahead and open up the door. Who will we find inside? Look, we found Max. He is from the Secret Life of Pets, and he has a blue collar on. Ruff, 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 ruff. So we said this color looks almost red. Ariel's hair is red. Look how cute Ariel is. Let's give her a little squish. She's not very squishy at all. She's wearing a green dress. Okay, Fizzy, it's the last door. Do you know what color that is?
I think it's, yellow?
Yes, Fizzy, that's correct. It is a yellow door. Hooray! Now I just need to find the yellow key. Here it is right here. Let's use our key and see who's inside. Inside we found Pops. This little basset hound has a wheelchair and is so adorable. His wheelchair is blue. That's a fancy wheelchair. And there's something yellow in here. It's a yellow angry bird. So squishy. Today we found a lot of our animal friends, and we learned the colors yellow, purple, blue, green, orange, and orange that is almost red.